Hi everyone, this is once again Mary here with Director Talks, and today I have a very special friend who has worked with me on my second short film, which we shot during the quarantine without any film equipment. We didn't have like a proper setup as well, but still we managed to make it, and it was really good. So this is Seth. I'm introducing you the big star, the future star of India,
Hello,
and
guys.
he is so talented. Really, I just messaged him at night. I told him that I'm have this thought in my mind to make a second short film, and I have the story ready. So, are you willing to do it? Immediately, he said, "Okay, yes, I'll do it." And I told him that the character should be inspired by R. Madhavan's Breathe. If all of you must have seen Breathe, part one, where Madhavan has done a fabulous job. So now we'll go over to Saif and ask him how did he prepare for that, because I gave him like a very short time to actually go through the web series and the character. So tell me, Saif, how did you manage that?
Well, first of all, yes, talented. Thank you so much for that. That was a great introduction. Talent बचपन से घमंड कभी नहीं किया मैंने. On the other part, yeah, that was actually very short period notice what you have given to me that I have to prepare like our marathon. And being honest, people will hit me for that I have not seen Breathe at that time. I
Exactly.
haven't gone from any of that episode, but for just to prepare that thing, I was watching that entire web series for two times back to back. So I wanted to know Q, what is the mindset of the writer who has written a role for Armadon? What he was thinking at that time.
Hmm.
Because if I cannot catch that, I cannot catch what Armadon had done. I cannot catch how I have to do something in a different short film which we have done together.
Yeah,
But at
true.
that time I got to know, okay, so with I got to know what is that actually bipolar disorder is.
Hmm.
Like हमको समझ में आता है कि गलत है but करना भी है. Like
Yes.
it was just like that.
Yeah. There were so many scenes that we didn't get to do. One was the terrace scene with the
Ah,
watering the
the
plants, and people will tell you it was very difficult because it was lockdown and we couldn't get any location, so we had to improvise. Like Saif was very worried that everything is going to look very raw. I said it's okay, I just want it raw, I don't want it like fabricated like Karan Johar movie. Not interested in that.
yeah.
So we had a very raw locations, and early in the morning he woke up and he did the jog scene that you see in the trailer. And how did you cope with that? How people, this is shot on a mobile phone, okay? So there was nothing. And I was just giving him instructions by WhatsApp, and we had chats on the phone over the call, and that is how we did it. Like I wasn't even on the location to tell him anything. So how did you manage that, Safe, and that too with a mobile phone?
So first of all, I will tell you how the mobile phone actually I thought of just doing on a mobile phone. I was like, I asked my friend, would I get a camera? But at that time it was lockdown, and people were like charging a higher amount.
Yeah.
Like obviously they have to earn something from here or there because they were not earning. So I was like, yeah, no, I don't want to go with that. As we have a zero budget plan, we had a
Yes.
low budget or zero budget plan. I was like, no, I will shoot on a mobile phone. I will do complete shooting on a mobile phone. I will just give a try. Let's see how it works. So that was the first, what do you say, hope, ray of hope that we'll do on a mobile phone. And the scene which we have shooted for the first time, that was the jogging scene. That was the first scene what I shooted. And about the watering scene of the terrace part, I will tell you what was the thing. I actually got a location,
Hmm.
but
Yes.
due to Corona
Yeah.
and all things, the other people don't wanted to get other people enter to their society. Some random person to enter to their society.
Yeah. Yeah.
सो
Right.
मेरे को लोकेशन मिल गया था. आई
Hmm.
वाज गोइंग टू शूट दैट बट अगेन कि नहीं बाहर का कोई नहीं
Hmm.
चाहिए, ये नहीं चाहिए, वो नहीं चाहिए. That came into the part. Then that was the thing which I was not able to do. And when we were shooting for this thing, like the entire short film, what I used to do, uh, like my brother was handling the camera. He was behind the camera. I was in front of the camera. But my role was double. Like I have to first set up the entire screen that I want this screen to be performed. I want this what is it? This complete what do you say? What we can say? A complete frame should be like this.
Same.
I want this thing. Yeah, and then I have to go. I have to perform, and then I have to come back and check. Acha, it's
Hmm.
okay. It's now it's looking good.
Yes.
I have to every shot I have shooted more than 4 to 5 times.
Hmm.
Even if it was perfect, I have to shoot again.
Yes.
And the worst part, the crying scene. The crying
Yeah.
scene was so difficult for me. Trust me, I was so hesitating. The thing like I cannot cry.
Mm,
I was not able to cry.
yes.
And when I actually cried, I literally cried like hell. I cried from bottom of my heart. I cried at that time. If you see now, it was not a fake cry. It was
Yes.
actually I was crying.
Yes. That's
But
true.
I controlled myself, and when the shot got finished, I asked him, "How was it?" My tears were coming out, and I was like, "How was it?"
Mm-mm.
It was that difficult for me. I was not able to control my emotion at that time.
True. I mean, that's so true because we have shown the other side. Like, we haven't shown just bipolar disorder. We have also spoken about male suicide rate. And we played
Yeah,
this film on the Mental Health Film Festival, and people have really received it well. They were really emotional, and some of them had their personal tragedies as well. So they really connected with the
I know.
film. So this was something
Today,
different. Yeah.
today, I got a compliment from one of my gym trainer.
Okay.
He saw a short film just now, like 2 days back, and he saw that he was saying that I saw the short film and I went back to my own story.
Oh,
And he said me a line that कि मुसीबत जब आती है हर जगह से आती है.
yes, true.
And we did the same thing, like we have
Yes.
shown like he is in completely into trouble, and he was like कि
Yeah.
ये यही होता है.
Yeah.
ऐसा कभी नहीं होता कि एक मुसीबत आई है and it is resolved. No, it doesn't happen like that.
We have
After
shown.
one other thing,
Yeah.
that
We kind
it's
of
just like an dominoes.
exactly. We have shown a tower moment, like tarot card has a tower moment, which like it destructs at once. Everything
I
comes
know.
at once. So we have shown that same thing. And the iconic shot, which is on the poster, that is the underwater scene. And we have actually done it in a bucket. Steph did it in a bucket because we couldn't find a tub. And it's done shot on a mobile, people. It's done on a mobile. Can you imagine? You can actually make short films like that. Please take creative inputs from us.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Steph has done it
uh,
in a bucket. Can you imagine? Just you can see that in the short film when you go and watch it. You'll see he's done it beautifully. Now he'll tell you how he did it. Tell us that.
yeah, that bucket scene has been shot by like at 2 different days. Firstly, it was done for the teaser part, just for poster. I have done. You remember that you
Yeah,
wanted to know how it gonna look. I said,
yeah,
just give me an hour. I will see how
yeah,
can I do that.
exactly.
It was first shooted for the just for the poster, and
Mm,
secondly for the short film.
mm,
For the poster, it was actually easy. Being honest, it
mm,
was very easy
mm, mm,
to shoot for just for poster. It was just I have to make some use of plastic covering, just
mm.
like mobile should be like some kind of कि पानी नहीं जाए कुछ भी करके. I was
हाँ,
thinking that way. So it was easy at that time.
mm,
But when I was we were shooting for the short film, and that time when I tried to use the same polythene and same thing,
yeah.
वो हो ही नहीं रहा था. Trust me, वो हो ही नहीं रहा था because of refraction.
Mm,
What used to happen when I used to put the phone in the bucket,
mm,
the rays used to get diverted.
yeah.
So the scene which I shooted for the poster part, it was shooted within 10 to 15 minutes. Like हो
Yeah.
गया.
Okay.
But when I was shooting for this thing for the short film part, it took me more than 2 hours.
Yeah.
More than 45 shots I have given for the same water scene,
Okay.
and after that I was like मैं छींक रहा था continuously
Mhm.
2 to 3 hours. I was just sneezing. It
Yeah.
was after again shot I have to put my mouth in the water.
Duck your water. No. Yeah. He
Yeah,
had to
and
duck his head in the water and he actually fell ill, because
ah,
of that.
I know, and
So
it was not
difficult.
that easy. It
Yeah,
was not that easy.
exactly. But still, we got the shot that we wanted. I mean, it was the same that I had sent the picture of on the script when I had given you the script. So it was like similar. We could actually get it done finally. And what with
Yeah,
we actually left it like the ending, we left it like a cliffhanger. We obviously didn't want to trigger people. So we
yeah,
haven't shown anything violent or anything that kind of triggers them into doing or taking a step. So we because we don't know who's watching it and what is their mental state. So we just left
I
it
know.
in that way. So tell us about the last scene with the gun. And because I had told you like I wanted in front of a mirror, something like Joker and that kind of a thing. But we couldn't do that because we thought it would be a very violent sort of. So how did you improvise
Or
on
a
it?
corporate part
Yeah,
kind of thing.
yeah.
So you just you were talking about the last scene. I got
Yeah.
goosebumps.
Goosebumps.
You
Yeah.
still remember? Yeah, it
Yeah.
was how difficult it was at
Yeah.
that time, because being very honest, I was
Yeah.
emotionally attached with that character,
Yeah.
because we all were into a part where we cannot go out of our houses. We were just have everything in our mind. We were somewhere not uh, unhappy weather
Yeah.
around us were like created
Yeah.
in the or complete lockdown thing. And when I was shooting the last scene, and just hearing too much suicidal stories after day
Yeah.
by day.
Right.
Somewhere our favorite actors, somewhere like unknown person, but it was affecting us somewhere.
Yeah.
And as you say, yeah, you were like completely right on that part, that we don't want to trigger anyone,
Yeah.
because suiciding is just an क्या कहते हैं उसको, it just an run away from the problems. It is
Yeah.
not facing your problems.
Yeah.
We want people to face their problems.
Yeah.
When we are actually
Right.
shooting that scene, the last scene of the gun part, trust me, I I literally felt very bad for all those people who actually they have done suicide, because for just a second, not even second, half of second, they just thought of their good parts. They could have stopped.
Yeah.
They were just worried about their problems, and they did suicide. And our thinking was like, don't worry of your suicide, it's okay, but somewhere something good parts are there.
Mm.
After every night there would be a sun, there would be a new day. You have to think of that.
Right.
That was our main motive. And
Mm.
that's why we didn't show that he is going to kill himself or something.
Right.
He might, but
Mm.
he shouldn't. That
Right.
was the part.
Yeah. We actually left it like in a positive way, that in case people would have reached out to him, he would have like kind of,
Yeah,
if he would have had a reason to live, he would definitely stop himself. So we wanted to make it that way. So I think,
actually
yeah.
it is like being honest is so simple thing, like people don't understand ki, like if my friend is not feeling good, if
Mm.
I just drop a message,
Mm.
bro, what's wrong, let's meet, even this much message na, it encourage people to leave.
Yeah. True.
But we don't do that. We
Mm.
just like हाँ यार like ये तो उसका हमेशा का है. We should think about that.
Mm. True. That is true.
And in lockdown we got to know that we are not just socializing animal, but we are emotional animals as well. Human is not just a socializing animal, he's an
Yeah.
emotional animal as well. We need emotional touches.
Yeah. We need people around us. It's not that
Yeah.
uh, because there are so many people who are still living alone. I mean, you see it on social media. It seems as if it's a one big family, but it's not. We are
Nah.
actually living. Yeah. Yeah.
We are particles, we are just particles, we're nothing else.
Yeah.
We say that we have a huge group, we have a
Yeah.
great number of people, but nah, somewhere we are alone, stuck in our own mind.
Yeah. True.
And people should actually come out with that thing. They
Hmm.
have to come out from that phase.
So that is all our film Minutes to Live and Die is about. And also, I would like to mention Mohit and Ryan. Ryan was shooting everything, and Mohit has done the editing. So I would
Yeah.
like to thank both of them as well. They've done a very hard work, and Saif also with the sound. How did we do the sound? Saif has done the sound and the trailer music as well. They have made the whole thing original, because we had to put it on YouTube, and we can't take more like uh, songs or other things which have
uh,
copyright issues.
you should mention that thing, which song
Yeah,
you should mention that
we
thing,
have
that the song,
we
the
have
song
taken
was so nice song,
we
yeah.
have taken inspiration from the Breathe song only, and we have kind of twisted it into our.
Yeah,
I mean, I didn't do it.
on
Steph,
version, on
yeah,
version.
Steph has
So
done
two
it.
songs,
Yeah,
two mainly songs. First song was the breathe background music, which inspired to create something similar to that. And other was Kisi Ki Muskurado Pe Ho Nisar,
mhm.
Kishore Kumar song, which we used.
Yeah,
However,
but it's
due to a
copyright.
copyright issue, we are not able to upload that,
Yeah,
and we have to change that song.
yeah,
But trust me, I still feel that somewhere I have to show that song. It was looking so nice. The
yeah,
entire frame was so nice. But chalo, koi na.
yeah.
The
It's
music is
okay.
made by again Ryan made the
Yeah,
music.
yes.
He was the music operator for the
All credit
complete
goes to
scenario.
Ryan. Yes.
Yeah,
All
all
credit.
correct for sure. Yeah, I
Yes.
was just sitting behind him, and I was like, "What he's doing here?" I was just poking my nose between, like, "नहीं ये ऐसा नहीं ऐसा चाहिए." I want it और wild चाहिए और wild चाहिए. At the time, he was like, he was so what do you say,
Irritated.
uh, irritated with me. Like,
Yeah.
he was like, "Why you have to put music everywhere?
Mhm.
Like every time you need a background music. Why?" I like, "Arey, we don't have a dialogue na. So somewhere
Yeah.
people should get connected na. It should be blank."
Yeah.
People will like, अब वो क्या हो रहा है, like they are blank watching this, the music is blank, so
Mhm.
blank blank कैसा अच्छा लगेगा, there should be some connection, at least
Exactly.
music सुन के देख तो रहे हैं.
हाँ.
So at that time it was so irritated with me, like यार ये नहीं हो रहा है अब. And when you remember the time when we
Hmm.
started to upload the short film for the first time
Yeah.
with the
Yeah.
same
First time.
Hindi song,
Hmm.
it was around 12:30 or 1 at
Yeah.
night,
Yes.
and around 2 a.m. we got to know that will get a copyright if we upload
Yeah.
that.
Yeah. True.
I didn't sleep after that. When you
Yeah.
told me na that there's an issue with the song, I didn't sleep. I
Yeah.
went back, I edited the song,
Hmm.
and at 5:30, around 5:30 a.m., I've given you the entire final clip. Now,
Yeah.
like, upload this. But I
Exactly.
was not able to sleep.
Yeah, even I didn't sleep that day because I was waiting for the clip and I kept like waiting. Then early morning gave me
Yeah,
the clip, and after that I kind of uploaded it, and then we had okay, now it's done. It's
I
finally
know.
done. It's finally done. That was
Eh,
so difficult. I mean, yes, but it's possible. Like even if you don't have any film equipment or you don't have a big team, you can use your creativity and you can get things done. So you don't have to be like a very big filmmaker to make things. You can make short films. That is fine. It's okay
As I
to,
told you,
yeah,
one of my co-trainer told me, gym trainer told
yeah,
me that people don't respect the content. They just want to see anything. They want to see cringe content and all.
yeah,
They don't cringe content they want to see, but
yeah.
they don't want to see the actual thing what
Reality of life.
happens.
Yeah,
Yeah, they don't want to see the reality. They don't want to say हाँ कुछ भी हो रहा है देख रहे
yeah,
net 1 GB है तो घला रहे. It's just like
huh,
that. It shouldn't be like that actually.
yeah,
People should connect with the reality.
yeah.
He told me today that it
Okay.
was that great that I have went back to my own story. So it
Wow.
was that powerful.
Yeah. So, I mean,
Like,
somewhere, yes, it does touch. I mean, we can't force everyone to watch, but it's
yeah.
on the audience, like they want to watch it and like take it. Now, what are the new projects that you're working on, Seth? Like, I heard you're doing a short film or something. You're writing because Seth is a very good writer and director as well. His show had standing ovation
Yeah.
before the lockdown. He had written
It
and
will complete
directed a
one
play.
year now in
Yeah,
February 2020.
right.
1 year
So,
done.
yeah.
एक साल ऐसा ही चला गया.
ऐसे ही गया, आई नो. तो अभी क्या है, नया क्या है? What are you bringing new?
Yeah. Short film again with a great social message.
Okay.
Again, this is not a similar message which everyone is working right now. This is
Mm-hmm.
something out of the box.
Mm-hmm.
Everyone is facing the same issue, but no one knows that. No
Mm-hmm.
one knows that it's a message,
Mm-hmm.
and somewhere it will hurt some people. Some people will take it a negative way, but
Okay.
on the other part, after after a sip of poison, they will get to
Mm-hmm.
realize, okay, this is worth it. So it
Mm-hmm.
is going to be that good. It is actually story of everyone in now current situation.
Yeah.
After lockdown, as we've seen, so short film coming after lockdown, something a different
Mm-hmm.
characterizations.
Okay. Okay. And what's with you and Ranveer saying I'm jealous? Like he wished you on your birthday. I mean, what is it? What's happening behind the
Yeah,
scene?
yeah. Ranveer Singh wished me on a birthday ki Saif, Saif. That was
I saw that.
so there are connections. Being honest, there are connections. There are too many connections between
Okay.
Ranveer and me,
Okay.
and तो उसका थोड़ा सा यूज कर लिया मैंने. हाँ, but he didn't wish me on my birthday. He was busy with his
Later.
shooting, so he wished me wish on like after 22 days.
Yeah.
It took 22 days to my message to my message to reach to him that please wish me on my birthday at least.
Okay.
So it took
Cool.
22 days.
Mm-hmm.
But it was like for a great gift for me. I have
Yeah.
never received something like that.
Nice.
And he's a very generous person. He's an awesome person. He never
I
says
heard that.
no to anything. He
Yeah.
never says no to anything. And that is the great thing, that he is blessed with awesome things, like awesome characters thing, awesome script, awesome wife,
Yeah,
awesome career.
yeah,
Touchwood, we
that's
should
good.
also get something like that.
Yeah. So now you're building muscles, I see. You're pumping iron in the gym, all the new
Yeah,
videos and short videos that you're giving inspiration to everyone. What's with that? Like something, some new avatar coming up for.
yeah, being very honest, I will tell you something. When I was shooting for this thing minutes, at
Hmm.
that time I got to realize that people want to see me. Like, it's not that they won't see me, they will see me,
Hmm.
but there's always something, कहते हैं ना कि थोड़ा मीठा और होना जरूरी होता है, या थोड़ा नमकीन और होना जरूरी होता है.
Hmm.
It's just like that. Like, only eating a vada pav is good thing, but if you get a mirchi with that, you get a sauce with that, you get meetha
Technique.
pani, tikha pani,
Hmm.
chutney and all things, then it creates a different aura of that vada pav.
Yeah.
So I think, let's go with that. Let's create that vada pav more interesting for people.
Hmm.
And being honest, it's not inspiring anyone. First of all, I was just trying to show people that yes, you can. But
Yeah.
I was not like I have to inspire someone. I just want to show that अगर मैं कर सकता हूँ तो कोई भी कर सकता है. I have
Hmm.
this thing
Hmm.
because I have lost my faith. I was around 93 kg, 33% body fat. My this jaw was dropping, my stomach was falling, and this thing was happening in the lockdown part.
Yeah.
Then one day I thought, like, no, I cannot live like this. I cannot live like this. People have expectations from me. I have my own expectations, and
Hmm.
we have to create a change.
Yeah.
So let's go with that.
Fine. So let me wish you all luck for the future. And before I can wrap this up,
Thank you.
what is your message for people who are aspiring to be actors, writers, directors? Any special message for them?
Just breathe. Just breathe. Things will happen, but
Mm.
you have to believe.
Yeah. Okay.
One day, one day it won't happen, but one day it will.
Hmm. It won't happen immediately, but it will
In
do.
one day, yeah.
Yeah.
But it will. It
It,
will take time, but it will happen.
yeah. So that is the message for all of you. Like, be hardworking, consistent with your dreams, and go after your goals, just like Saif out here. So we wish him all the luck and for his future, and we wish to see a lot of films, and hopefully one day with Ranveer Singh in Bollywood. We would love to see
Soon,
that.
soon.
Yeah, we're watching that. We're keeping an eye on you. Okay, thank you so much.
Never share your secrets.
Oh, okay. So something is up. Fine, fine, fine. So we wish to see that day soon, Saif, and wish you all the luck.
Yeah.
Thank you for being with me this evening on Director Talk. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for making me connect with your people and talking to you. And after, it was a great talk, and you put me back to all the memories of shooting minutes.
Yes.
It was a great time with shooting that, and thank you so much for asking me that can we do that.
Oh, anytime. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you
Bye.
so much. Yeah, bye.
Yeah.
Take care.
Bye. Take
Hats
care.
off.
Yeah, bye.